I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillac, no perms, you can't see that I'm a motherfucking Pimp. I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillac, no perms, you can't see that I'm a motherfucking Pimp. Now shorty, she in the club, she dancing for dollars. She got a thing for that Gucci, that Fendi, that Prada, that BCBG, Burberry, Dolce and Gabbana. I spit a little G-man and my gang got her. An hour later, had her ass up in the Ramada. Them trick niggas in the ear saying they think about her. I got the bitch by the bar trying to get a drink about her. She like my style, she like my style, she like the way I talk. She from the country, think she like me cause I'm from New York. I ain't that nigga tryna holler cause I want some head. I'm that nigga tryna holler cause I want some bread. I could care less how she perform when she in the bed. Bitch at that track, catch a date and come and pay the kid. Look baby, this is simple, you can't see. Fucking with me, you fucking with a Pimp. I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillac, no perms, you can't see that I'm a motherfucking Pimp. I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillac, no perms, you can't see that I'm a motherfucking Pimp. I'm about my money, you see, girl, you can holler at me if you fucking with me. I'm a Pimp. Now what you see on TV, no Cadillac, no greasy. Head full of hair, bitch, I'm a Pimp. Come get money with me if you're curious to see how it feels to be with a Pimp. Rolling the bins with me, you can watch the TV. In the backseat of my V, I'm a Pimp. Girl, we can pop some champagne and we can have a ball. We can toast to the good life, so we can have it all. We can really spread it, girl, and tap them all. If ever you need someone, I'm the one you should call. I'll be there to pick you up if ever you should fall. If you got problems, I can solve them, they're bigger than small. That other nigga you be with ain't got shit. I'm your friend, your father, and confidant, bitch. I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillac, no perms, you can't see that I'm a motherfucking Pimp. I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillac, no perms, you can't see that I'm a motherfucking Pimp. I told you food to fork, I stick with the tools. I keep a bin, some rims, and some jewels. I holla at a hoe till I got a bitch confused. She got on Payless, me I got on gator shoes. I'm shopping for the chillers, and it's some of the cheaper. Man, it's so you can have her when I'm done, I ain't gon' keep her. Man, bitches come and go, hey nigga pimpin' no. This ain't a secret, you ain't gotta keep it on the low. Bitches choose on me, I ain't stripping in the street. Put my other hoes down, you get your ass beat. Now nigga, my bottom bitch, she always come up with my bread. The last nigga, she was whipping stitches in her head. Get your hoe out of pocket, I put a charge on the bitch. Cause I need 4 TVs and AMGs for the 6. I'll make a pimp rich, I ain't paying bitch. Catch a date, suck a dick, shit. Trick. I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillac, no perms, you can't see that I'm a motherfucking Pimp. I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillac, no perms, you can't see that I'm a motherfucking Pimp. Yeah.